Robot dogs could soon be dropping packages at your door. Forget drones dropping boxes from the sky or coolers on wheels getting stuck on curbs. Boston Dynamics wants four-legged cyber-pup Spot to solve last-mile delivery. You can call it a robotic dog if you want, but Spot is trading industrial inspections for a side hustle as the ultimate delivery companion. Boston Dynamics has revealed they are already in talks with major logistics companies to test Spot as a mobile helper for human delivery drivers instead of replacing them. The idea is to form a dynamic duo where Spot is the perfect gaming sidekick, carrying the heavy loot so the main character doesn't get slowed down. In practice, the human driver handles steering and navigation of the delivery van, while Spot handles the physically exhausting back-and-forth walks to the front door. To make this happen, Boston Dynamics outfitted Spot with a specialized bin-like conveyor belt prototype strapped to its back. The entire process is a masterclass in human-robot synergy and works like a well-oiled machine. First, the van pulls up as the human delivery driver parks, opens the back doors, loads the loot onto Spot's back-mounted conveyor payload, and Spot hops down onto the street. Then, scaling the terrain, Spot trots up the driveway over sidewalks, curbs, gravel, and front porch stairs for a gentle drop-off as the conveyor rolls the package onto the porch before Spot heads back to the van. If you're wondering why we need robotic dogs when we already have delivery drones and wheeled rover bots, Boston Dynamics Spot product manager, Paige Miller, has some thoughts on the matter. Drones haven't been able to get to the porch, and so packages were being left in the middle of the yard, Miller pointed out. We've also seen the struggles of various wheeled robots for last-mile delivery. When other robots hit a single step, a patch of thick mud, or a steep driveway, they're essentially defeated. But Spot's quad-pedal design lets it navigate highly unstructured environments with human-level agility. To prove just how gentle Spot can be, the team even used the robot to successfully deliver a carton of eggs without cracking a single shell. A delicate touch. Don't expect Spot to bring your next Amazon order tomorrow morning because the rollout is not happening yet. While the hardware is very capable, real suburban neighborhoods are chaotic, with unpredictable obstacles like kids on bikes, garbage bins, and curious real-life dogs. Because of this, Boston Dynamics says early rollouts will feature human drivers controlling Spot remotely, so the team can collect vital real-world routing data before Spot's AI takes the wheel completely. But one thing is for sure, the future of getting your packages delivered is looking a lot more futuristic and a lot more robotic.